was just day one. Do I like surgery? Good morning guys, today is my first day in surgery. I'm so damn scared. I have very low expectations honestly, but I am excited as well. I'm getting ready, I need to leave in 5 minutes. The last moment I decided to vlog. I was like, you know what Advika, might as well vlog how nervous I am. I'm packing my scrubs as well. I'm all ready, let's go. I'm walking to the hospital. I don't know, every time I'm posted in a new department, I'm always so scared. Okay guys, so I reported in the ward and now I have been told to go to the OT. So thankfully I brought my scrubs, so I'm going to the OT now. I'm going to be changing there and then hopefully scrubbing in. Okay, so I'm inside the doctor's changing room, the female doctor's changing room, and I'm going to be changing into scrubs. So we are going to be doing laparoscopic cholecystectomy, which is basically the removal of your gallbladder.
Hours later.
Dropped into my first surgery. Let's go. Okay, now I'm going for my second surgery. I think it's gonna be now the laparoscopic cholecystectomy. But yeah, I just took some post-op vitals and sampling, and I'm going back for the surgery.
Much later.
Surgery pretty done. Actually, really enjoyed this one, probably more than the last one. We have surgeon Akshaj here. How was your surgery? कौन सी देखी आपने?
So it was Lichtenstein's tension-free mesh hernioplasty.
Damn, I'm going for my third laparoscopic cholecystectomy today. I don't know why मैं आज इसी surgery में वॉशन हो रही हूँ, but it's good. मतलब मुझे हर surgery के साथ थोड़ा confidence बढ़ रहा है. So yeah. 3 p.m. now, and the only thing I've had since morning is 1/4 protein bar. Finally gonna be having lunch. I'm so damn hungry right now. For today's lunch we have rajma rice. अभी एक और केस है and I think उसके बाद we are done for the OT. But so far, do I like surgery? Like I like it, but I can not see myself pursuing this branch because I'm not the type of person who wants to stand for up to 5 hours to do a surgery. But it is true वैसे कि आज मैंने पहली बार laparoscopic procedure देखा. Interesting. I'm gonna have my lunch now. See you guys.
Much later.
Okay, so OT is done and now we are having a little break around 15 minutes and then I'm gonna go back to the ward and then we'll do some ward work. And honestly, I am exhausted. Like right now, I wanna go back home and relax. And times like this really make me question my choice of occupation. Guys, it is 9:30 p.m. and we finally got free. और अब मैं वापस घर जा रही हूँ. She's dropping me. But oh my god,
बड़ी मुश्किल से भी गॉट फ्री.
Oh my god, but हमने आज कितना कुछ सीखा.
ज्यादा ही MBBS एक्सपोजर हो गया एक दिन के लिए. जो 4.5 साल में जितने एक्सपोजर नहीं हुआ इतना एक्सपोजर हो गया.
Exactly.
12 घंटे में मुझे लगता है.
We learned dressing, enema, DRE, which is digital rectal examination. बाकी हमने surgery, so मैंने तो तीनों laparoscopic cholecystectomy करी है, तो interesting day it was. और I am so hungry. मैंने washroom भी नहीं use करा है properly, so
पानी भी नहीं
लेकिन हाँ पानी भी नहीं पिया है. And this was just day one. This was just day one. Hey guys, I am gonna be oiling my hair. I'm using Indiawild ka oil for the second time. I'm thinking to wash my hair because as I told you guys in one of my previous vlogs, after like using those surgical gloves, powder that is in the gloves, when it gets in your hair, so your hair gets very greasy and like weird. So today I'm gonna be washing my hair, knowing कि कल फिर से जब मैं अपने बालों को touch करूंगी,
मुझे फिर से वो greasy feel होगे.
It's the worst feeling. For my OGs जो ये rant भी सुन रहे होंगे, I'm actually thinking to color my hair. And this time I'm thinking to color my hair into this. It's like a dark cherry brown color. If you guys have been watching me, you would know कि मैं अपने बाल पहले बहुत ज़्यादा often color कराती थी. But then I came to a point where I was like, Advika, no. Right now, they look like this. I'm not sure if I should get it done right now or not. Or if I should wait for the internship to be over. Let me know your guys' opinion. Them down in the comments. I'll be reading them. I'm gonna be waiting for a few hours and then I'm gonna go wash my hair. Hi guys. It is another day and I got ready because today I have to go to the OPD. But today I woke up at 8:30 and I have to leave in 10 minutes. I am all ready. I have not had breakfast though. Also, my duty today is a night duty. So basically मुझे OPD करके वापस आना है and फिर मुझे रात को फिर से जाना है. Yeah, that's what I have to do. I have reached the OPD and I am going to my room now. Okay, I'm inside the OPD now. I'm going to be seeing a few patients and I'll see you guys later. It is 2 p.m. I just got free from the OPD. Usually we get free from OPDs around 1, but it's 2 p.m. now. And now I'm going to go to the ward. अब मैं पहले ward जाऊंगी and I'll see if there is some work. I might have to help in some work and then I'll get to go back home because I have to come back at 9 p.m. It's just surgery day 2. Let's go. It is 3 p.m. I'm finally free now, so I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna have my lunch, my first meal of the day actually, and then I have to come back at 9 p.m. Girl, are you kidding me? Most of my order these days are from Haldiram's और आज मैंने मंगाया है इडली सांबर. तो मैं ये खाने के बाद I'm gonna take a little, maybe a big nap. I honestly don't know. I'm like very tired.
2 hours later.
What's up? Hey guys, it is 8 p.m. and I'm about to get ready for my first ever night shift in surgery. What do you think about this? Hear me out. This is not a fit. This is a joke. As someone who has watched Grey's Anatomy, I'm gonna try my best Meredith Grey walk. Maybe I shouldn't do it. This is the snack that I'm gonna have. It's pretty healthy. Basically overnight oats with a lot of fruits on it. Guys, I have left my house and I'm on my way. Wish me luck! I just saw MRF, which is basically manual removal of feces. Search it up if you don't know what that is. It is 3 a.m. and I'm gonna sleep for a few hours now. I still have a lot of work to do. Tomorrow morning I have to wake up early like 6 a.m. and then I have to do dressing of almost every patient. That is around 25 to 30 patients, which is insane. But yeah, I'm trying to not stress about it. Think about it tomorrow when I have to wake up. For tonight, I'm gonna be sleeping on this bed. I forgot my blanket and everything for night duty, which is like, honestly, I have 3 hours. I don't even have time to think about it. So I'm gonna go and sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Aww. Thousands of tears later.
Guys, I just reached home. It is literally 11:15 a.m. It's been more than 12 hours actually. It's been way more than 12 hours. Considering मैंने 3 बजे तक पहले भी day में पूरी OPD करी है, so like how many hours? My brain is not even working to do the math. See you guys after I wake up. What's up guys? I got up, I brushed my teeth, I had a little meal, and now I'm thinking to start my productive day. It is 6 p.m. so it's very late to start a productive day. So I'm gonna go to the library and study. Okay guys, I'm all ready. Let's go to the reading room now. I got in some real concepts today and I'm so happy that I did, because अगर मैं घर पे होती, I'm sure I would have given up. I'm sure I would have been like, I don't want to study about this anymore. I'm gonna do time pass. It's also dinner time, so I'm gonna go back home, have my dinner. Let's go home. Guys, I'm back home and I've changed into the most comfy, boyish clothes. I look like a 13-year-old guy now. I'm not complaining. Anyways, I ordered my tiffin. So this is my dinner. We have bhindi ki sabzi, yellow dal, rice, roti and some salad. Fun fact, up to class 4th मुझे भिंडी बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद थी. And I remember I had a friend who was shocked by this news. She was like, तुझे भिंडी कैसे नहीं पसंद? It is my favorite. It looks gross. मुझे पसंद नहीं. And then she forced me to try bhindi and I ended up liking it. Probably not a fun fact, but yeah, it's a fact. I'm gonna have my dinner now. I'll see you guys soon. Hi guys, it is the next day. I'm inside the hotel now. I'm gonna be changing into my scrubs. When I'm not scrubbing, I'll let you guys know what's happening. Also, today is gonna be the last day for this vlog that I'm vlogging, so yeah. Okay, change into scrubs. Look what happened. Akshay and I coincidentally wore the same color of scrubs, and yes, this was a coincidence.
And we both are vlogging also.
I thought I'd show you guys the process before we get into surgery. So this is where we wash our hands. We're not supposed to touch our hand. So we go like this, wash, close, keep our hands up. Then we come to this side. So basically this, when we open up this thing to the side of our gloves, apron, everything that we have to wear before we go into surgery to make sure everything is sterile. Then we go inside and do a piece of art. It's 1 p.m. and I'm having my breakfast at 1 p.m. I was in back-to-back 3 surgeries, ordered cold coffee and a chicken pop. I ordered breakfast thinking कि it will anyways take time. Wait, मेरा lunch भी आ चुका है. Wow, मेरा lunch भी आ चुका है, मेरा breakfast भी यहाँ है. I'm gonna have this now. Guys, I've been busy with only local procedures today. जिसमें सिर्फ local anesthesia लगता है. But Akshay is in very interesting case. So I'm free from OT today. Today I was only in local cases. So like cyst excision, lump excision, fibroadenoma. I saw all of these, assisted in all of these. I also did some suturing, so that was interesting. Yeah, that was it. I'm posted for 5 more weeks, so I'm sure I'll get into some more interesting cases later on. But yeah, I'm gonna be changing this. I'm gonna be having my lunch and then I have to go to ward. What's up, gang? Going to the ward now. I'm going to the ward now. We have co-intern Akshaj here. तुझे medicine better लग रही है या surgery?
मुझे दोनों पसंद नहीं है.
तुझे कौन सी?
आराम करना पसंद है. मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है यहाँ पे. मैं रोज 12-12 घंटे यहाँ पे ही रहता हूँ.
तुझे अभी तक की तेरी favorite posting कौन सी थी?
ऑफ था.
Off था, nice. And that is it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched till here, then comment pen so that I know that you're a real one. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, keep dreaming, keep smiling, and keep achieving. Bye.